To use a PNC Bank ATM without your debit card, you can generate a unique access code on your phone and utilize it at the ATM. First, locate a nearby PNC ATM, which can be found on the PNC Bank website or through the mobile app, keeping in mind that availability may vary by state. Once in proximity to the ATM, generate the access code on your phone and approach the machine. Select the Cardless Access Code option. Then enter the provided code and tap the green Enter button. Next, enter your 4-digit debit card PIN and tap Continue. The ATM will validate your information, prompting you to select your preferred receipt option. After choosing to print a paper receipt, the ATM will prepare your transaction, allowing you to select the type of transaction you wish to make, in this case, a cash withdrawal. Confirm the account from which you want to withdraw cash. Select the desired amount, and wait for the transaction to process. The ATM will then dispense the cash and print your receipt. While using an access code can be a convenient workaround if you've forgotten your debit card, it's essential to exercise caution and not share your access code or PIN with anyone, as this could leave you vulnerable to scams. It's crucial to educate friends and family on the importance of keeping this information confidential to protect their accounts.